Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Savvy Hub, and I am here with my another video. This video is about some heels, like some high pencil heel, platform heels, and very different kind of design and beautiful designs. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of heel which looks really nice and amazing, and the beautiful kind of heel which looks really nice. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty in a blue color, very like beautiful and amazing, a little bit zinc kind of shade which looks really nice. And this heel also looks very pretty with the golden kind of thing on the top which looks very beautiful and very amazing. And this heel is also a very nice in a red color, and as you see, the color and the overall thing, everything looks very nice and beautiful. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful and pretty. And as you know, like, increase in the collection of your heel, enhance the choice for you to choose according to your preference, your style, and the taste. And as you see, this black color block heel looks really nice. It's a beautiful design which looks very amazing and very nice. And this one is also a very pretty heel in a white color, and as you see, this color combination looks very beautiful. And this one is also a very amazing dark brown kind of color which looks very beautiful. And this heel is also a very pretty, it looks very amazing in a white color with a brown sole which looks really different and beautiful. And as you know, heels are that type of footwear that you can wear with your every kind of outfit, like it's Eastern or it's Western. It look really beautiful with both and enhance to your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and beautiful. And as you see, this black, like a kitty design heel looks really nice, and a very cute kind of design which looks very pretty and amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel, and as you know, you can wear heel in every kind of occasion, like it's a wedding, a birthday party, or the normal casual routine. You can wear heel, they look very beautiful and amazing. And this one is also a very beautiful kind of little platform kind of heel, which looks really nice. And as you see, this color looks really nice, a beautiful kind of black and red combo with the little bit bow on the top. And as you see, this heel looks really nice, a perfect which look very beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very amazing in a dark blue color. And as you know, heels is a timeless fashion, it's never end. You can wear heel in every generation, every age, and every occasion. They look very beautiful and make your outfit and the day very beautiful. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. Like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end. Bye bye.